Want to uncover how these sweet crunchy treats are made to perfection? Before we dive in, here's an interesting fact to set the stage. Ferrero Rocher is that it was one of the first chocolates to be advertised on television in Italy when it launched in 1982. This marked a significant shift in how chocolate was marketed in the country and set the stage for Ferrero Rocher's image as a premium gift-worthy product globally. It all starts with chocolate making, where we mix cocoa liquor with cocoa butter and sugar. This mixture is then refined to create a smooth texture. Those hazelnuts have changed the entire game of almost everything. They are being manually inspected so not any ruined hazelnut can enter the Rocher realm. All these hazelnuts are going to be kept aside so they can put them one by one in every chocolate. Instead of making circles of these wafers, they chose to create the entire wafer sheet with the exact molding they needed for our favorite chocolate treat. The wafers need to get cooled down before they are showered with damn rich chocolate and other knickknacks. Melted chocolate made from the best cocoa beans and hazelnuts waits to dip the wafers while the hazelnuts are waiting for them to get done so they can take their place right in the center of the rich chocolate. Two of the sheets hug each other's, so they can be molded into balls of entire chocolate pieces before slicing. Processes their interplay between the wafer crunchiness and the creamy filling, with all the nutty flavors as sensory overload hijacked by taste buds refusing to release. The next time you place one of those golden spheres in your mouth, take some time to marvel at the time and the pains that were put into every morsel by Raffaello. This sensation comes all the way from bustling metropolis to cozy countryside cottages. You will find these creamy confections bringing smiles to faces everywhere. It's the perfect combination of exotic flavors, luxurious texture and absolute ingredients. With each bite you're transported to a sun-drenched island paradise where worries melt away and all that matters is the blissful moment of enjoyment. As if the creamy filling wasn't enough, each Raffaello ball would be cut and separated from each other for further magic. Now it undergo an extra layer of indulgence, a coating of rich creamy white chocolate and shredded coconut. This adds a delightful crunch and intensifies the coconut flavor, making every bite an experience of texture and taste. It wasn't until the 17th century that ice cream gained popularity in Europe thanks to the introduction of new freezing techniques and ingredients that always enhance our mood and taste buds. A bunch of robotic arms hold the bars gently and dip them into the pool of rich chocolate tea. Oh, give them a thick and delicious chocolate coating, another amazing blast of freshness. It all starts with harvesting good quality strawberries to make delightful juice which is hard to resist, bursting with the sweet and tangy essence of ripe strawberries. This beverage is not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, including whole strawberry chunks in the juice. Adds dietary fiber which promotes digestive health, regulates blood sugar levels and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Cookies, those delightful treats that bring joy with every bite, are a universal favorite. They are using specialized tools and machinery to shape the dough as they need, keeping in mind your preferences. And here comes the most awaited baked cookies. They are a lot to handle, but not for these beastie machines. The process starts with mixing together all the necessary and secret ingredients together to form a dough-like mixture. This mixture is carefully formulated to achieve their desired texture and flavor of the crackers. Special molds are used to cut the dough sheet into the iconic curved shape of the crackers. The shaped dough is baked in ovens until it's crisp and golden brown. The secret flavoring spices are being prepped to sprinkle onto the chips. The machines are designed in a way that uniquely gathers the chips, just like the famous Pringles. Prawns are delicious seafood enjoyed by many around the world, but if you have ever wondered how they make their journey from the sea to your plate, here's your answer. Before any further processing can take place, the prawns need to be thoroughly cleaned. This involves removing any dirt or unwanted parts from the prawns. The prawns are usually washed in cold water to remove any impurities. Now it's time for a second bath and to inspect them manually. This ensures that only the best prawns make it to the next stage of processing. To maintain the freshness of the prawns and also increase their shelf life, they are usually frozen. This is through blast freezers. which quickly freeze the prawn, thus ensuring that the prawn's flavor and nutrition is preserved. Frozen prawns can be preserved for an extended period without losing quality. Deep frying may add some calories and fat, thus a baked or air-fried nuggets may be healthier. Production of donuts at industrial level involves mixing dough just like normal ones and forming it into thinner sheets for precise shapes and the most delicious flavors. Fully automated machines handle everything all about their molding and more. Donuts hold a special place in our hearts with irresistible flavors, fluffy texture and endless variety. That's a wrap for today, but our flavorful journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can find